5.1 refraction. What is the speed of light in flint glass? Okay, so our variables, n equals 1.61, and this is from our chart. Specifically, the index of refraction. So n equals 1.61, c equals the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the 8th, and the velocity, which is what we need, is we don't know. So 1.61 equals the speed of light over velocity. So you times velocity on both sides, which cancels out the velocity under the speed of light. And now it's 1.61 equals the speed of light. Okay, and so the speed of light is, so now v equals the speed of light over 1.61. The velocity equals 1.86 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Okay, the speed of light in an unknown substance is 2.56 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. What is the index of refraction of the substance? So, n, we don't know it. We don't know the substance. C is always the speed of light. V is 2.56 times 10 to the 8th meter. So, n equals the speed of light over 2.56 times 10 to the 8th, which equals 1.17 times 10 to the 0 meters per second. Now, what is this substance, you may ask? Well, the substance, if I can get this page open, 1.17, I don't know. Okay, let's move on. The speed of light is measured at 2.19 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. What substance is the light traveling in? N equals, we don't know. C equals 3 times 10 to the 8th. V equals 2.19 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. And do the same thing as before. And you get 1.37 times 10 to the 0 meters per second. On a distant planet, an alien records that light travels 46 kilometers in 2.5 times 10 to the negative 5 seconds. What substance is the alien atmosphere made of? Okay, this is the first part. Velocity equals d over t. And we need the velocity here. So velocity equals 4600 meters, because if you need to convert the 4.6 to meters, this is because it's in kilometers. And then you put the 2.5 times 10 to the negative 5th below it to get 1.84 times 10 to the 8th. Now you go on to part 2 of this problem. N equals speed of light over 1.8 times 10 to the 8th. And you get 1.63 times 10 to the 0 meters per second. 6. How long would it take for a light to travel through from 5 millimeter zircon? So, N equals C over V. 1.92, because we know the substance, equals the speed of light. And now you divide, and velocity equals 1.563 times 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 4th. And now you go to V over D over T. We don't have an answer for question number 6, so we'll just ignore that. Yeah, and that is it. Bye.